2 biscuits. One for you, one for me.
Welcome to the wonderful world of cooking, where every dish is a masterpiece waiting to be created. Join us on an exciting culinary adventure as we explore the joys of cooking and discover the importance of learning how to cook. 1. Discovering the magic of cooking. Cooking is more than just a chore. It's a magical journey filled with delicious flavors, tantalizing aromas, and endless possibilities. From whipping up a quick snack to crafting a gourmet feast, cooking allows us to express our creativity and share our love with others through food. 2. Nourishing your body and soul. One of the most important aspects of cooking is its role in nourishing our bodies and souls. By preparing our own meals, we have the power to choose fresh, wholesome ingredients and create dishes that fuel our bodies with the nutrients they need to thrive. Cooking also provides an opportunity for mindfulness and relaxation, allowing us to slow down and savor each moment as we prepare and enjoy our meals. 3. Cultivating essential life skills. Learning how to cook is about more than just making delicious food. It's also about developing essential life skills that will serve us well in the future. From mastering basic cooking techniques to honing our time management and organizational skills, cooking teaches us valuable lessons that can be applied to all areas of our lives. 4. Fostering creativity and experimentation. Cooking is a creative endeavor that encourages us to think outside the box and experiment with new flavors, ingredients, and techniques. Whether we're following a recipe or improvising with whatever ingredients we have on hand, cooking allows us to unleash our imagination and create culinary masterpieces that are uniquely our own. 5. Bringing people together. Food has a remarkable ability to bring people together, and cooking is no exception. Whether we're cooking for ourselves, our families, or our friends, sharing a meal is a time-honored tradition that fosters connection, conversation, and community. By cooking for others, we show them that we care and create memories that will last a lifetime. 6. Empowering independence and self-reliance. Learning how to cook empowers us to take control of our own health and well-being, allowing us to make informed choices about the food we eat and how it's prepared. Cooking also promotes self-reliance and independence, giving us the confidence to tackle new challenges and navigate the kitchen with ease. 7. Embracing cultural diversity. Cooking provides a wonderful opportunity to explore and celebrate the rich tapestry of culinary traditions from around the world. By trying new recipes and ingredients from different cultures, we gain a deeper appreciation for diversity and expand our culinary horizons, all while honoring the unique flavors and traditions of each culture. 8. Promoting sustainable living. Cooking at home allows us to reduce our environmental impact by minimizing food waste, supporting local farmers and producers, and making mindful choices about the ingredients we use. By embracing sustainable cooking practices, we can help protect the planet and create a healthier, more sustainable future for generations to come. 9. Building confidence and self-esteem. As we learn and grow in the kitchen, we build confidence in our abilities and develop a sense of pride in our accomplishments. Cooking teaches us that we're capable of more than we ever imagined and instills a sense of self-esteem that extends far beyond the kitchen. 10. Continuing the culinary journey. The journey of learning how to cook is never-ending, and there's always something new to discover and explore. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, embrace the adventure and enjoy the delicious rewards that cooking has to offer. Congratulations, culinary adventurers! You've completed your crash course in the wonderful world of cooking. By recognizing the magic of cooking, nourishing your body and soul, and embracing the joy of culinary creativity, you've taken the first steps on a lifelong culinary journey filled with flavor, fun, and endless possibilities. So grab your apron, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to embark on your next cooking adventure.